Hey YouTube, Jason here again with DayTradingFearless, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. If you're, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. So as always, let's jump right into today's topic, and we're talking about drawing Fibonacci retracements and extensions. Just a quick view of it, of the way I like to do it. So first thing I'm going to do is whatever time frame you're looking at, for right now we'll use a 1 minute chart, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for a relevant play. So we have a prior swing high, swing low, right? With all this price action we broke out. But now we look like this might be starting to roll over a little bit. Okay, we kind of have a double top. It looks like a little fish hook, so maybe it does roll over. If it does, let's just kind of draw to see where our levels would be for the Fibonacci retracement. So what I'll do is I'll go from this prior low all the way up to the highest peak, and then I'll left click, okay? Once I find those levels, I know where my 38.2, 50%, and 61.8% Fibonacci retracements are. Now, these are the only retracements I really care about. So these are going to be levels where I will look to want to get long on any bounce. And what I try and do is I try and look at each level saying, hey, look, there was a breakout, consolidation, a break higher, a pullback right around that level, and then a new high. So if we come back down here, maybe this might get a quick little scalp bounce, right? A little bounce first to scalp. I'll then look at the 50, 50%. Swing high, broke out, failed, swing high, and then the broke out here. I probably like this level a little better, the 32.24 level. I'll then come over here and I'll look at my dome, okay, the price ladder, and look at as if we do pull back. I'm not saying we are, these are just in anticipation. I'm setting up a potential trade. If we do pull back, I'd be looking probably at that 24 level to get for maybe a point or something, just a quick little bounce in, get out type of trade. But I also want to see volume down here potentially firming, okay? So that's how I would look for Fibonacci retracements. Now for the extensions, okay, and let's use this prior extension, right, from this low to this high. I'll grab my Fibonacci extension, left click, I go to the lowest low to the highest high, right, again, all that price action, and then we'll come right back down. And these now give us levels of 127.2, 0.2%, 161.8%, and then the 200. Essentially what this is if I measure from that high to that low, and let me just draw a trend line, right? All I would do is I would duplicate that trend line, and that 100% would take us, if I flip that over, is our 200%. So I hope that kind of helps to understand what I'm looking at. And these are just those Fibonacci extensions, okay? And look at how prices reacted to them all so far. Touch, pull back, touch, pull back, okay? This 230 I really like. I give about 75% chance of a pullback at the 127. I give about an 85% of the time it'll touch and pull back like it did here, and then about 95% chance at the 200 that we're going to touch and pull back, and you'll be able to make some money. Now, if we do roll up to this 32.30, which is the 200%, I'd be looking at my dome. Are there big orders? Look at that. 32.30, there's 600, 29.75, 500, right? So they're starting to stack up a little bit. Okay. As it goes higher, I'll be able to see okay, what's really happening at this 32.30 and a quarter, round that guy off, right, to 32 and a quarter. And so maybe I'll want to put an order in at 3,200 or 32.30 even, or maybe even front run it right around this 32.2975. And again, as far as target, maybe you risk a point to make a point, something like that. So I hope that helps. This is, again, how I use my Fibonacci retracements and also extensions. So thank you as always for watching. Until my next video, we'll talk to you soon.